In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Lisp files for Autodesk AutoCAD LT 2024 using Chatgpt, step by step in a super simple way. This is a great trick if you want to speed up your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and generate custom Autolisp style code ideas with the help of AI. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Chatgpt in your web browser. Once it loads, you'll be ready to create the prompt that asks for exactly what you need. Now, in the chat box, type a clear prompt asking Chatgpt to create a .lisp file to change the object color to green in AutoCAD. The more specific you are, the better the output will usually be. You can mention AutoCAD LT 2024 if you want to tailor the response to your version, and you can also ask for the code to be formatted neatly so it's easier to copy. After you type the prompt, simply hit enter and let Chatgpt generate the response. Once the code appears, review it carefully to make sure it matches your goal. If needed, you can ask Chatgpt to revise the script, simplify it, or add comments so you understand what each line does. After that, copy the generated Lisp code into a plain text editor and save the file with a .lsp extension. That part is important because the file must be saved correctly for AutoCAD to recognize it. Then, you can load it into AutoCAD LT 2024 using the appropriate tools or workflow available in your setup, and test it on a sample drawing first. This helps you confirm that it changes the object color to green the way you want, before using it on important work. If something doesn't look right, just go back to Chatgpt, refine your prompt, and generate a better version. That is one of the biggest advantages of using AI for this kind of task. You can quickly iterate until the code fits your needs. So in summary, open Chatgpt, type your prompt to create a .lisp file that changes object color to green in AutoCAD, and hit enter. It's fast, simple, and can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.